Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. As you can tell, this is my morning routine and I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. and I am gonna be getting ready today to show you guys my little workout routine, my morning routine. It's been really fun living in a new place and getting in like the habit in my new place of it just being myself, and it makes me so happy. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter because it would mean so much to me. I post every Wednesday and Friday on this channel, but I post every other day on my other social media, so don't forget to go follow me over there. And thank you to Lululemon for sponsoring this video. You guys know that I've worked with Lululemon in the past. I love working with Lululemon, obviously, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool self-care products that I've been using because, as you guys know, I've been posting a lot about me working out and training and stuff like that, and so I have some really awesome products to be showing you guys from them. So we're going to get into that, but the first thing I do when I wake up is I put my contacts in and I put my slippers on. So the first thing I like to do in the morning is make coffee. That is my #1 priority. So I'm gonna get my Keurig going. I'm gonna start the coffee. I also want to make some avocado toast this morning. So I need to cut up an avocado, and I also want some lemon water. So I'm gonna cut up a lemon as well. Okay, here is my coffee, my weird little mug, and then I have this. I have some hot water in here. I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon in there. I normally just cut half a lemon and do this and just squeeze a little bit. I really should get like a lemon squeezer, but I don't. I'm too lazy. When I go to the grocery store next time, maybe I'll do that. I've already kind of squeezed everything I could out of this. It's literally empty. All right, so this is my avocado toast. I also have some probiotic vitamins. I take these in the morning just to help. I also just bought this. This is everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Everyone was recommending this to me and they were saying it's good like on almost everything, but I want to try on my avocado toast, so that is that. I'm so excited to eat this. What I like to do first is drink all of my lemon water first and take my probiotic with that, and then eat my avocado toast, and then I like to enjoy my coffee by itself. So I have to like eat everything and then have everything else before. I don't know why, that's just how I am. I feel like the lemon water also kind of wakes me up. Oh, and I almost forgot. I always take like a wellness shot in the morning. It like just depends on whatever one I'm feeling like. This one is apple cider vinegar, raspberry, and lemon. This is supposed to cleanse your system. It doesn't taste amazing. I have to like plug my nose while I do it, but it really works. Like I can feel it and I feel like it really is cleansing me, so. Oh my god. I'm not being dramatic. I'm not being dramatic. That's really how it is. Oh, wow. Also, don't mind the fact that this poster is like on tags in the wall. I bought a frame for it, but it just hasn't come in yet. You know, apartment tour coming soon. It has genuinely been making me so happy just being able to like wake up in my own apartment, make my own breakfast, like have all of my own food in the kitchen. I don't know if you guys know this, but like I have lived with roommates for the past 3 years. This past year, my junior year of college, I lived with 3 other roommates. So that was the most that I lived with at the time. Normally I only had 1 other roommate, but this past year I lived with 3. And after last year, I loved my roommates, but I just really wanted my own space. So being able to just be in my own apartment, my own kitchen, play whatever I want on the TV in the morning, it has just made like my entire life, and it makes me like love mornings way more. I'm such a morning person and I love getting up, getting prepared, making breakfast, having my coffee, having my me time. So it just is super fun and it's important. If you guys don't have a good morning routine, I feel like you guys should make an effort to wake up earlier and just do more things that make you happy. I feel like waking up earlier is just, it's life-changing because sleeping in just ruins my whole day. I also normally will watch a show in the morning, but right now I'm all caught up. I'll normally watch either Big Little Lies, Euphoria, or The Bachelorette, whichever one that was recorded and I hadn't caught up on yet. I normally just like watch whatever show, or I'll put on Sex and the City just because I'm never tired of watching that show. Like, I just like to watch reruns of it, so I'll do that as well. But yeah, that's normally my morning. I normally just like sit here, chill. That is if I'm not gonna be getting ready or anything, because I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna get dressed and go to the gym here in a second, but because I am going to the gym, obviously I don't need to like get ready, shower, do all of that. Like, I can shower before bed, and then when I wake up, I'm not gonna shower before my workout. Like, I'm just gonna, you know, there's no point in that. So yeah, normally I'll just wake up, chill, make my little avocado toast. I'll drink my coffee. I also, for some reason, really prefer having my full cup of coffee before I go to my workout. For some reason, it just really helps me. Like, I don't know, it makes me feel so much better. And I also normally eat, so this avocado toast, I'll normally have like an hour and a half before I actually go to my workout. I'll show you guys what I'm picking out this morning. These are the new leggings I just got from Lululemon. God bless, I'm obsessed with them. They're yellow. You guys know, like, you freaking know that I love yellow. I think I want to just pair this with like a white sports bra maybe. I think I have this one. I have this Lululemon white sports bra. I want to just pair with this for workout today. I feel like this will be perfect. And then I also have some yellow shoes that I know will match this outfit. I don't know why it's going out of focus, but this is my workout outfit. I'm going to change into this in just a second. All right, how many times in a video have I told you, in order to start your day good, you need to make your bed every single morning before you leave, for work, for school, for your workout, anything. Even if you're just going really quick somewhere and coming back, I always make sure my room is clean. I like to come home and know that it's organized. I don't like to come home to a mess. Like, even with all of this, like, I'm just gonna pick my clothes up, put my shoes other places, everything on my counter. Like, I always like everything to be clean, even all the stuff over there. Like, this will all be cleaned before I go to my workout. So just a tip, always clean. Next up, we're gonna take the dirty workout clothes from yesterday. We're gonna bring these to the dirty clothes. I should probably do laundry soon, but you know, it's fine. So now that I'm dressed and I've had my coffee, my breakfast, and all of that, this is where I just get ready for the gym. I like to do this out here. I have a big mirror right next to me, so I like to just get ready out here, brush my hair out. I also always bring a little gym bag, and this is my gym bag. I bring this little tiny one right here, normally because I like to run errands after I go work out. I normally go to like the grocery store, the mall, I go grab food, anything like that. I always have my purse so I can have my wallet and all of that, plus everything I need for the gym. So these are the new products from Lululemon that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm so excited. So as I use them, I'm just going to be showing you guys which ones I'm using. The first one I'm going to be using is the basic lip balm. So this is the lip balm right here. So if you guys have ever experienced having really dry lips while you're working out, it's mainly because your body loses moisture when you guys are working out, when you're sweating, especially when you're breathing really heavily during your workouts. Your lips become really dry, so this is really awesome to use. It has shea butter, it has organic beeswax in it. It's really awesome, and it'll stay on throughout your workout. I personally always wear chapstick for this reason before I go work out, because I hate when my lips like look 12 sizes smaller when I leave the gym, and it's because I'm like so thirsty and like I'm breathing so heavily, and it's because I'm just sweating and losing everything on my body. I also normally like will apply this during a workout. You can use it before, after, during, whenever, anything like that. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the anti-stink deodorant, which is right here. I'm going to be throwing this on my armpits before I go to my workout. It's like really cold, and for some reason it's like refreshing. It's like so cold on my body. What I really like about this is that it has prebiotics in it, which helps reduce the growth of bacteria so that you don't have that odor under your armpits, but it also has coconut oil. So the coconut oil acts to soften the skin, so it's not gonna be harsh on you or anything like that. But I think my favorite is that this is like, it acts as like a cooling effect. Like when you put it on your armpits, it feels so like cool and refreshing. This would be really nice, even just like before and after you leave the gym, just because like I feel like your armpits kind of need that refresh once you leave. So the next two products, this one is the No Show Dry Shampoo, and this one is the Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. So these two I want to save for after my workout. Obviously you can use them before and after, but I really like using the moisturizer and the dry shampoo after, for obvious reasons. Once I'm sweaty, I like to have the dry shampoo, and once I sweat, I like to cleanse my face a little bit and then put this moisturizer on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys that after the workout, but these are super simple. I literally just plop them in my purse along with like chapstick, and now I have my deodorant. That's everything that I need. I'm gonna grab my water bottle, I'm gonna fill it up, and then we can head out the door. Another thing I like to do before I go on a workout is I drink a whole water bottle before. I always have to. I realized that I wasn't drinking enough water, so I made it a goal of mine to drink 4 of these a day. I know that's a lot, which I didn't realize it was. I just was like, oh yeah, whatever, I'll just like drink 4 a day, like instead of 2, it's whatever. And then I realized that was 2 gallons. So I've been drinking 2 gallons of water a day. Tell me why my skin isn't perfectly clear yet. I don't know. But yeah, so I would recommend before you go and work out, and I do this every single morning, I drink a full one right as I wake up, and then yeah, I just refill it throughout my day. Try and drink as much as I can, but especially in the morning, because I feel like it's important to start your day with a lot of water. Alrighty, I've got my little to-go bag right here with all my products in it. I am grabbing my water bottle, and I am grabbing my keys, and I will be heading out the door, so I'll see you guys at my workout.
How did that feel?
So painful.
Debut. Okay, as you guys saw, I just finished my workout for the day, and now what I'm about to go do is run a few errands. I need to go grocery shopping for the day. I need to go get some food. I want to run in somewhere, but obviously this is where I need to use my products so that I don't look so like sweaty and stuff. As you guys can see, my roots are getting a little greasy and sweaty. So what we're gonna do, I'm in a hurry, that's why I'm kind of in my car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the No Show Dry Shampoo. Obviously you guys know what a dry shampoo is. I don't know why I'm shaking it. Obviously you guys know what a dry shampoo is. So I just use this onto my roots, and it has argan oil in it. It also smells so good, so it helps, you know, the argan oil helps it keep frizz free. It also has tapioca starch in it, which is like a natural ingredient that helps absorb any excess oil that's in here. So I just like to do this just before I go anywhere, so it doesn't look fully like I'm super sweaty like I just was, especially because I have an internship. So normally if I go to my work, I don't normally have time to do a full-on shower. Even if I do shower, I just normally wash my body but not my hair. Honestly, like, I'm sorry if that's gross to some of you, but it's really not, because this is the easiest and quickest way that I can get this done. So that's what I'm doing, using my dry shampoo. And then, as you guys can tell, and like I said earlier in the video, your lips and your face and everything loses moisture. Even though you are sweating, it loses moisture when you're working out. And so I'm using the Sweat Reset Face Moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. You just twist it up like this. I use about 2 pumps. What I like about this is that it has kind of a cooling effect when you apply it. So if you know you do have a really red face after a workout, this can kind of help soothe your skin and also moisturize it at the same time, since your skin is still a little bit dehydrated after working out. So you can kind of bring back that glow. As you guys can see, it's just kind of making my face a little bit more lively so I don't look so sweaty and fresh out of a workout. I kind of want that after workout glow, but not like fresh sweat glow. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm about to call in a acai bowl place. I'm ordering an acai bowl to go because I'm kind of in a hurry. I've got some shooting to do today. I've got some pictures and all that to do today, which is obviously why I'm not gonna be washing my hair. I'm using the dry shampoo, moisturizing, doing all of that. Can I get a Maui Wowie bowl soft serve? A regular. Yeah, for Keaton to go. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, I'm back from my workout and I am opening up my bowl. This is the happiest moment of my life. I'm starving and this bowl is so freaking bomb. Like, it's literally life-changing, so I'm so excited. Oh, it flew everywhere. This is so good. So now I'm basically just going to enjoy my bowl and then I'm gonna get my day started. I've got lots of content to do, filming and all those things like that, but I'm really happy I got to bring you guys along for my morning routine and I hope you guys liked it. And thank you to Lululemon for sponsoring this video. As always, you guys can go in the description bar down below and you guys can check out the self-care products from Lululemon. They honestly are awesome if you guys struggle with that. They have travel size and full size, so you guys can go in the description bar down below and check those out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this morning routine. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and also subscribe to this channel because I post every Wednesday and Friday and it would make me so happy to keep you guys around. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.